Hello friends, if you have deleted your Google Chrome history and you think it has been deleted from your phone, then you are wrong because even though you have deleted the search history, your search history is still in your phone. So let me tell you how to delete it. First friends, you open Google Chrome and click here, scroll down and here have option manage your Google account. Click here and here have option data and privacy. Click here and scroll down and here have option friends my activity. Click here. When you click here my activity, this interface open ready and here you can see all your search history. So okay friends, now I tell you how to delete this search history. You see here have option delete. Click here and here have four option: last hour, last day, always and custom range. So you choose any option. If you want delete last hour your search history, just click here and last 1 hour search history deleted. If you want delete your search history by date, so click here and here you choose date and you can delete your search history. So friends, this video is useful for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.